Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I am going to be showing you around my dining room, just showing you what little touches I put in for the spring and the summer before this whole thing gets changed for fall. So guys, if you like home decor and decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out, because that's what this channel is all about. So I'm going to take you around the room. I'm going to tell you where everything came from, how much it cost, and pretty much some decorating tips. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'll take you over here first where the bar cart is. This bar cart is from Ross. I've had it for a while. Everything on top of the bar cart is from HomeGoods except for that picture, which is from Burlington. The bar cart itself, I believe, was $59.99 from Ross. Very affordable. Over here, this tree is from Amazon, and the gold pot that it's in is from HomeGoods, and I believe that was $19.99. On this wall, I have this beautiful wall art from Ross. It was $59.99. The wall sconces, the gold wall sconces, are from zgallerie, and I believe they were like $27 each. They're still on zgallerie's website now, although I've had it for a while. On top of the buffet, I have these two beautiful lamps here. These lamps are from HomeGoods. I believe they were $59 each. Yeah, they were $59 each, and they can each take two bulbs. I only have one bulb in it right now, but they can take two bulbs, which would give the room a lot of light, especially if you have a small dining room. You definitely want to put some lamps in place to brighten up the space. Or if your dining room doesn't have a lot of windows, it's a good way to brighten it up. Now, this buffet server, I got this from a Facebook Marketplace seller. And when I originally got it, it was like a green color. So I painted it in a gold metallic paint, and I changed the knobs to these crystal knobs. And ever since I did that, I have been in love with it. On top of the buffet, I just put just a couple of candles and these two-tiered trays, all from HomeGoods. No, the candles are actually from Burlington, and I believe the candles were $6.99. The little two-tiered trays were $7.99 from HomeGoods. And the boxes in the middle, the Ming boxes, they are from HomeGoods as well. I know that zgallerie used to sell them. I'm not sure if they still do or not. But the boxes, I think the small one was $16.99 and the large one was $24.99. The light fixture. The light fixture is from Home Depot, and I believe it's $400. Just one thing about this light fixture. I love it. It's beautiful. It makes a huge statement in the room, and the camera doesn't pick up how much of a statement it is. But all of those crystals have to be hung one by one. So that was not fun. Over here, the Chanel picture, the champagne picture, that is from Burlington. And I believe it was $30. In this corner, this beautiful glam lamp, floor lamp, that is from, and I'll show you a closer picture of that in a minute. That's from HomeGoods. Let me just show you the place settings I have on the table right now. The gold placemat and the napkin, they are from HomeGoods. The napkin ring is from zgallerie. I got the napkin rings for I think $17 when they had it on clearance. The napkins, I believe, was $6 for $20 from HomeGoods. The plates, all of these plates are from HomeGoods. The charger plate at the very bottom, the silver one, that is from Walmart.com. And I've had it for a very long time. These beautiful glasses here, martini glasses, are from HomeGoods as well. And I think they were like $6 each or something like that. I've had it for a while. These four place settings here in the middle, I did it differently. I did the Pier 1 napkin, and I did the Pier 1 leopard print plate. And these plates were $6.99 each. And of course, this was before Pier 1 closed down. So the entire color scheme is gold, white, and silver, and a little bit of cream. And those napkin rings are from HomeGoods as well. They were 4 for $20. So when you're setting up a tablescape, it's always good to choose your color scheme ahead of time, maybe 2 or 3 colors that you really love, and then just go with that. The centerpiece, I did my ginger jars. These flowers right here, it's actually 2 sets of stems, which I got from Ross, and I didn't do anything to them. I just stuck it in the ginger jar, and it just works. The ginger jar is from HomeGoods. It was $59. The smaller one, this one here, is from Ross, and I think it was $20. This little apple, I've had it for a very long time. I think it came from Burlington like years ago. And the tray is from HomeGoods as well. Yeah, these beautiful napkins here with the beaded detail are from Pier 1. These are my chairs. They are from the At Home store, and I actually paid $75 each, but this was probably like 7 years ago. I'm wanting some different head chairs, but I'll kind of go through that in a second. Just to show you what the base of the table looks like. This table is from Ethan Allen. It's an Ethan Allen table, and the table is actually like $3,000. But I didn't pay that because I bought it from someone on Facebook Marketplace. So over here, I have these beautiful vases here. These huge, they're actually very huge. Can't really tell with the camera, but they are from Haverty's. And guys, check out Haverty's as a tip. They do have a lot of sales on their decor where they will run like 75% off their decor, where you can get some really beautiful quality pieces, you know, inexpensive. So definitely check them out. They do have a clearance center as well. So like I was telling you, on either end of my table, I want to do like new head chairs. And I've heard that At Home has some really nice chairs that you can do on either end of the table. So I'm going to be looking at Home to see if I can replace these chairs right here. So I will keep you updated on that. So guys, I'll take you around the entire room again. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, just let me know in the comments and I will get back with you. So thank you so much for joining me today on the video. The next video after this will be the kitchen. I'm going to show you what I did there on the island and the countertop above the cabinets, the whole deal. So thanks again for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.